We are the students of Media and Communication Club at Career Point University, Hamirpur, gathered here to grab your attention toward the melting glaciers. For this, a climate march is organizing from 1st September to 2nd October 2024 by Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. Now, I would like to talk about the issue of melting glaciers at a high rate. As we all know that glaciers are the critical component of our Earth's ecosystem. They store 69% of the fresh water. They also regulate the sea level. It is just not happening in the isolated part of the world, but also from Alps to Himalayas. Now, what causes the melting of these glaciers? Global temperature rises due to the emission of greenhouse gases and human activities. They may be of burning of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, oil and natural gases. These gases trap the heat in the atmosphere, which lead to the global warming, and global warming lead to the rise in the global temperature, and ultimately our glaciers melt. Due to increase in the global temperature, our weather conditions become unpredictable. Due to these unpredictable weather conditions, floods and droughts occur. As we all know that glaciers store fresh water, so millions of the people depend upon these glaciers for the drinking of their water. But all is not lost. We can save these glaciers by reducing the emission of greenhouse gases.
Imagine a world without glaciers. The very ice that has been stood for millions of years is now melting at alarming rates. We have just left with less than 5 years. If we don't act now, the consequences will be irreversible. What actually causes the melting of these glaciers? The melting is primarily driven by the emission of greenhouse gases. These gases are emitted from the combustion of coal and coal mining. In addition to it, we have excessive use of air conditioners, which causes the emission of carbon at high rates in the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases get trapped in the atmosphere, causing rise in temperature, which leads to melting of glaciers, and that further causes a rise in sea level and natural disasters such as floods and droughts. At last, I would like to conclude my words by saying, save glaciers, secure tomorrow. Thank you.